Are you ready for the biggest airdrop of 2024? This video could be quite useful for you. Let's get started right away. I've been making videos for you for a long time, talking about opportunities in crypto. The video you're watching right now is one of the most important videos on my channel. Blast Network has transitioned to mainnet and will distribute an airdrop. Blast will distribute airdrops to its users in May. Knowing the date of the airdrop is crucial for us because we don't know when most projects will distribute airdrop rewards. For example, the airdrop dates of networks like Linea, Zxync, or Base are not determined. Moreover, it's not even certain whether some networks like Base will conduct airdrops. However, Blast is quite different in this regard. Until May, we need to prepare for airdrop rewards from Blast. Blast's airdrop rewards could be the biggest rewards of 2024. Now, let's see what we need to do to win Blast's airdrop rewards. Firstly, we need to perform transactions on Blast's own platform. You need an invitation code to join the system. You can join our team using the invitation code on the screen, or you can directly access the Blast network using the link in the video description. After registering and connecting your Twitter and Discord, you need to perform the bridge process. After this bridge process, you will start earning points. You need to bridge Ethereum from the Ethereum network to the Blast network. If you don't bridge this, you won't earn points from the system. You may need to accept that the fee charges can be expensive. You may pay fees ranging from about $30 to $50. However, you need to use the main bridge at least once. If you want, you can also set up the bridge using stable coins like USDT or USDC. After setting up the bridge, your assets will earn you points. Together with the points, you'll also earn a stake return. The more bridges you make, the more points you earn. You can see the points I've earned here. You don't need to do anything to earn points. Your Ethereum and USDB assets on the Blast network will already earn you points. You can see the real-time increase in my account. If I make more bridges, my points will increase faster. Additionally, there's a multiplier section. Here, we have the possibility to add multipliers. To see these multipliers, we need to enter and run the applications below. Blast doesn't guarantee these applications because they don't want to be responsible. I recommend researching before using these dApps. These multipliers will open in the next 2 months and help us multiply our points. These multipliers will open over time, and we'll see what happens. The opening dates are already written under the mysterious boxes. Presumably, we'll be able to reach multipliers by completing some tasks here. We're also in an advantageous position regarding invitations. Because when the people you invite make bridges, you'll earn 16% of their points. If the people you invite others, you'll earn 8% of their points. You don't necessarily need to make big bridges to earn points. You can also earn many points using the invitation system. The faster you earn points, the more advantageous it will be because timing the points with the multipliers correctly is crucial. That's half of the airdrop. The other half of the airdrop is Blast Gold. These are related to dApps. The best dApps will be rewarded by Blast, and Blast will send Blast Gold to these applications. These golds will then be distributed to users by the dApps. We want to collect both Blast points and Blast Gold, because when the airdrop is distributed, both the gold I've earned and the points can be converted to Blast tokens. Join our team and let's do our best together to win the Blast airdrop. You can enter the system and earn points by making bridges using my link right now. Thus, you'll have the chance to receive rewards from one of the best airdrops of 2024. Please remember that this video is not investment advice. See you in the next video.